Well, news now from Madhya Pradesh, where 4 men in the Shivpuri district have been arrested for converting to Islam without informing or taking approval of the district administration. Tularam Jatav, along with his son Keshav and 2 other family members, were arrested on Tuesday after the administration found out they were following Islam without the approval of the administration, which is a violation of the MP Freedom of Religion Act 1968. Well, let's go across to Siddharth Das for more on this. Siddharth, it's called the Freedom of Religion Act, but clearly it's more about control. Give us details of this episode.
Well, Gargi, first of all, I would like to tell you that this Freedom of Religion Act says that if you want to convert, you have to actually enjoy the confidence of the administration to do so. This is basically a step taken by the Madhya Pradesh government to actually prevent forceful conversions. In this case, if we speak of Tularam Jatav, along with 3 of his relatives has been arrested for violating this act, and if they are found guilty in this case, they may be imprisoned for 2 years. That is what it is. And 7 of the other members who had gone with Tularam Jatav yesterday to the collector to actually submit an affidavit wanting to convert to Islam, they too have been detained. They are being questioned as we speak. Now, if I could tell you the sequence of events, it all started with the head of this Dalit Hindu family, Tularam Jatav, who in 2012 actually converted from Hinduism to Islam. And when there was some property dispute, to settle that, he again reconverted to Hinduism. And after just about 9-8 months ago, after the problem was resolved, he again embraced Islam, and this time he also got 3 of his family members converted, including his son. Now on 28th of August, the villagers and his neighbors actually complained to the police that forceful conversion is happening in this family, and police should actually do something about it. No action was taken. And on first, the family met the collector, and that is when the collector found out that they were violating this act by actually following Islam. So they were actually, FIR was actually, registered in this case. And yesterday is when the family again reached the collectorate. All of the 11 people have been 4 arrested and 7 have been detained in this entire issue. Back to you.
All right, Siddharth, thanks so much for bringing us the details of that entire matter.